Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview, including GWI's service plans and website, are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using GWI. GWI, or Great Works Internet, is a Maine-based internet service provider committed to providing fast and reliable internet service with a strong emphasis on community values, sustainability, and user privacy. GWI has a reputation for actively working to bridge the digital divide, striving to bring high-speed internet access to underserved communities. Their fiber optic network delivers impressive speed and reliability, catering to both residential and business customers. GWI's internet plans offer a range of speeds, from 100 megabits per second up to a blazing fast 1 gigabit per second, ensuring users can seamlessly handle bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming, gaming, working remotely, and online learning without frustrating interruptions. A key advantage of GWI is their symmetrical upload and download speeds. This is particularly valuable for tasks like video conferencing, large file uploads, and other data-heavy activities. Unlike many other internet providers, GWI maintains transparent pricing with no hidden fees or unexpected charges, making it easy to understand exactly what you're paying for each month. What truly sets GWI apart is their dedication to privacy and environmental sustainability. They adhere to strict data privacy policies, meaning your browsing history and personal information are not sold to third-party companies. Furthermore, they're committed to environmental responsibility, investing in energy-efficient infrastructure and supporting various green initiatives. This makes GWI an appealing option for consumers who prioritize ethical business practices and want their service provider to align with their values. GWI also excels in customer service, boasting a local support team that provides quick and personalized assistance. However, it's important to note that GWI's service area is currently limited to certain regions within Maine. This can be a significant disadvantage for those who live outside their coverage area. Nevertheless, for residents within their service area, GWI offers a robust and ethically-driven internet solution. To summarize, GWI is an excellent internet provider for those in Maine who are looking for fast, reliable, and ethically managed internet service. Their fiber optic speeds, commitment to privacy, and community-focused approach make them a compelling choice. Be sure to check out the links in the description to explore their plans and see if GWI is available where you live.